Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make instant tomato chutney for idli, dosa, rice, paratha at your home. So for this recipe, what you need, here I chopped 4 to 5 tomatoes, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to grind this one by adding 3 red chilies. So I will show you. And you see guys, I added 4 to 5 the red chilies, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add little bit of water to make a smooth paste of this tomato and the red chili. So take a kadai, and here I'm going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. For this recipe we need more oil guys. So you can use any oil, and when the oil becomes hot, we have to add the mustard seeds, the fresh curry leaves and the hing powder. Here I added the mustard seeds, the methi seeds, and here I am adding the hing powder, the asafoetida, which gives a nice taste. We have to fry this asafoetida in the oil itself. So can you see here the sound, and in this I am going to add the paste. So here I added the paste, and what I am going to do, I washed this mixie and I am adding this water. So in this I am going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt up to your taste. So here I am adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and here I am adding some salt up to your taste, how much salt you want in your tomato chutney. So we have to cook this tomato chutney until it becomes thick. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cover this one with the lid guys, otherwise it will split all over the places. So, and you have to cook this tomato chutney in a medium flame. So we have to cook this, it will take 5 to 10 minutes. So can you see guys, after 5 minutes it started becoming thick, and it absorbs all the water, and we have to cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. In the meanwhile, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add these fresh curry leaves. It gives a nice taste in this tomato chutney. Again we have to mix. After adding the curry leaves guys, believe me, it gives a nice aroma. And I'm going to cover this one with the, see guys how thick it is now. So yeah. So the chutney is ready, and you can store this chutney for at least 2 weeks. If it is too hot, you can store in the refrigerator. India is very hot now, so you can keep it in the fridge after 1 to 2 days. So this chutney is very good for idli, dosa and plain rice, any aloo paratha, any paratha guys. So yeah. Making dosa for this red chutney guys. So here is the dosa and here is the chutney guys. I will show you. Very tasty. So this is a quick video of how to make tomato chutney for dosa at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.